tell you about a practical. The practical in which I will tell you the how the mobile wave cannot be enter any surface that is covered around the mobile. मोबाइल की सरफेस के अगर चारों तरफ किसी ऐसी सरफेस को कवर कर दें जिससे मोबाइल की जो रेडिएशंस हैं, इसकी वेव्स हैं, वो मोबाइल में नहीं आ पाएंगे और मोबाइल काम नहीं करेगा। इसके बारे में अपन प्रैक्टिकली करते हैं। तो पहले अपन डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करते हैं एंड वी डेमोन्स्ट्रेट द हाउ टू मोबाइल वर्क। नाउ आई कॉल in school mobile like this. Now I put the mobile in polythene. Look at here. I put mobile in the polythene cover, all of you. Very good. Like this. Now I call you can see the mobile is ringing right now as usual. Now I put the polythene cover mobile again, the covered with newspaper, properly newspaper, cover all of side. Got it? Now again I call. Look at it. Same as usual, mobile is ringing. Now I say any student, bring your bag here. A bag is there and I will put this mobile among some notebooks. Look at here. These are notebooks and textbook, and I am putting this mobile among the notebooks and cover completely the bag. Look at here. Now same it is ringing. Same it is ringing. Right now? Can you imagine?
Yes, sir.
But continuously. But I want to demonstrate how the mobile is not ringing. Means mobile waves cannot be reached to the mobile. How? And we demonstrate that one. The bag, paper, and I take out the mobile from the polythene. Got it? Now, what is this? You know what is this? What is use of this one? This is used to cover the chapatis. Not only chapatis. In case you cover the samosa and kachori also, cover this one. That will be not be cold. Remain the same temperature. Means near about the same temperature. Why? Because of the heat of the samosa, chapatis and etc. cannot be go out of these the foil. Got it? And we cover our mobile. We cover our mobile You cover chapatis like this at your home, but it is not a chapati, it is a mobile. Now I call mobile is saying to any student come. Hear the sound of the mobile like this. What type of the sound you hearing? To
Yes, sir.
any different sound? Is the ringing sound is not over there?
No, sir.
No. And Shailesh,
जिस व्यक्ति को कॉल कर रही है वह उत्तर नहीं दे रही है, कृपया कुछ समय पश्चात प्रयास करें। The person you are calling is not answering. Please try again.
mobile ringing.
Try again.
Mobile ringing is not reaching. Now one more student, Tapsi. No sound.
Yes, sir.
Means the waves or the networking is not reaching up to the mobile. Why? Because of the covering of the aluminum foil around the mobile, completely around the mobile. That's why cannot be reached. This is done by Michael Faraday. You know Michael Faraday. Who was Michael Faraday? Michael Faraday was who discovered the electromagnetic system. Electromagnetic system. The aluminum foil can be used as the Faraday's cage to block the electromagnetic radiation, and including radio waves. माइकल फैराडे ने यह बताया था कि अगर एल्युमिनियम फॉइल यानी किसी भी एल्युमिनियम के पिंजरे में या किसी भी एल्युमिनियम के कवर के अंदर अगर किसी भी ऐसे सिस्टम को
और
वेव्स हो, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक हो, कंडक्टर हो, तो वो वहां से पास नहीं हो सकता, वो उसके अंदर रहेगा, उससे बाहर नहीं जाएगा। कैनॉट बी रीच आउट ऑफ द वेव्स। उसके वेव से उसकी वेव उससे बाहर नहीं जा सकती, उसकी वेव वहीं पे रहेंगी, उससे बाहर जा ही नहीं पाएंगी। ये उन्होंने एक सिद्धांत बताया था, यही अपन ने डेमोन्स्ट्रेट किया है। गॉट इट? एनी स्टूडेंट वांट टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट दिस वन? कोई स्टूडेंट आएगा? कम। नाउ शैलेश सैनी विल डू सेम demonstrate. Shailesh, now what is this? This is mobile, and you will use this mobile again.
First of all, call.
So you will put the mobile in Bhan. I will put the mobile.
I will put the mobile in polythene.
Now cover
in newspaper
like this, and now I call. What?
I call.
Now I call. Now mobile is ringing. Now Shailesh has told that mobile is ringing. Shailesh is doing this demonstration. Mobile is ringing. Now
Enough.
Now open the mobile. Now I am opening the mobile and covering and put out the mobile like this and cover is mobile. Yes, now foil. Like this. Cover. this is covered properly. Then
This is covered properly.
very good. Now
Now I record. This phone is ringing, but this phone is not ringing.
this phone is now Tapsi come. Why this is done? That the wave, radioactive wave, cannot be reached up to the mobile due to covering of the aluminum foil. Got it?
Yes, sir.
You can do this practical at your home. This is very safe and understandable practical. Got it?
Yes,
आप ये प्रैक्टिकल घर पे आप कर सकते हैं. इस बिल्कुल सेफ प्रैक्टिकल है, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और आप ये करके बताएंगे भी, पेरेंट्स को बताएंगे. और ये बहुत नॉलेजेबल है कि रेडियो एक्टिव वेव्स कैसे काम करती है. ये कवरिंग जो मोबाइल है, ये कवर हो रखा है एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल में, जो नहीं पहुंच पा रहा है इस तरीके से. अगर इस तरीके से अगर आपने मोबाइल को पैक कर दिया तो मोबाइल नहीं चलेगा, मोबाइल काम नहीं करेगा, रेडियो एक्टिव वेव पहुंच नहीं पाएंगे इस तक. गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.